Let's be honest, most AI side hustles you see online are people just copy-pasting ChatGPT prompts and praying for money. But there are a few real AI side hustles that you can start right now that are so good they feel illegal. Not because they're wrong, but because how easy and fast it feels to actually scale. These are the side hustles no one's really talking about in 2025 because the people who are doing them don't want more competition. And with these, you can make some serious money. One is an AI video repurposing agency, and this one's quietly becoming one of the most profitable AI side hustles. Every brand, influencer, and business wants to be on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels, but they don't have the time to cut, caption, and format their own content. That's where you come in. You take their long-form videos, podcasts, YouTube uploads, webinars, and use AI tools like Opus Clip, Pictory, and Descript to turn them into viral short-form clips. You add captions, optimize them for vertical platforms, and deliver ready-to-post content. Most creators will gladly pay $500 to $1,500 a month for this service because it saves them hours every week. The best part is you can start alone, and then slowly you can hire editors or use more automation. And before you know it, you made a mini agency that makes you thousands of dollars every month. So the second one is one of my favorites, which is AI faceless YouTube channels. Everyone knows about YouTube automation, but very few people do it right. With tools like 11 Labs, ChatGPT, Runway ML, and Pika Labs, you can create scripts, generate voiceovers, and even generate realistic B-roll in minutes. And the key is to pick a niche that actually earns high RPM, things like finance, productivity, or motivation. And the illegal part is how automated all of it actually feels. You can literally build a faceless YouTube brand that earns passive income while you sleep. You upload 2 to 3 videos a week, track analytics, and reinvest profits into better editing or thumbnail design. The ones who treat YouTube like an actual business and not just a side hustle are easily clearing $1,000 to $5,000 a month once the channel grows. So the third one is AI-powered niche research and consulting. This one sounds boring, but it's a secret goldmine. Businesses are drowning in data, market reports, competitors, trends, but the thing is, they don't have time to process all of it. You can use tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT, or Claude to analyze an entire niche, summarize reports, and deliver actionable insights. For example, you can help an e-commerce store find what products are trending, or identify keyword gaps for content creation, charge every report, or you can use a monthly subscription. You're not doing guesswork. AI is just doing the heavy lifting for you. You deliver clarity. It feels illegal because companies pay hundreds per report for information that you compiled under an hour. So the fourth one is AI digital product creation. And this is where things get wild. You can use AI to create ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, or design packs that people design over and over again. Canva AI, ChatGPT, or Midjourney let you design and package these digital products faster than ever. And then you upload them to places like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. And once a single product hits, it sells in your sleep. The real win here is stacking. Make one template for business owners, another for students, and a third for creators. You're building individual small income streams that add up to thousands every month. Finally, the fifth one is AI newsletter and content creation. And this one is criminally underrated. Everyone's overloaded with content, and people pay to have it filtered for them. You can use AI to summarize top articles, videos, and trends in a niche, things like tech, investing, or productivity. And then finally, you send them out as a weekly newsletter. With tools like Beehive, Substack, and ChatGPT, summarizing becomes effortless. And then once you get an audience, you can monetize them from sponsorships, affiliate links, or a subscription. And it feels illegal because how simple it is. You're not creating original content, you're just organizing what's already out there and making it digestible. The truth is, the majority of people miss these because they're not flashy. They want viral overnight success, but these AI methods are quiet, consistent, and scalable. Whether it's repurposing content, running faceless YouTube channels, building digital products, or curating information, every one of these can become a full-time income if you just start. AI isn't replacing people, it's empowering the ones who start early. So guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure to watch this video right here, and as always, thank you for watching.